So guys, this is the way that how we can hide the subscribers of any channel, any YouTube channel. So it's different. It has different benefits. Like viewers might take you more seriously. Viewers might trust the validity of your channel or your content which you make today or any day. So focus on creating better quality content of your channel. So these are three different benefits or advantages of hiding subscribers on your YouTube channel. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, so please share with your friends and family and press the bell icon for notifications. So thanks for watching my video, and please be connected with my channel for more technical different videos or tricks for YouTube channel. So thank you and goodbye.